Find the interval so that fx is equal to x to the power x is decreasing. Solution. First write the function fx is equal to x to the power x and let y is equal to x to the power x, name it 1. To find the interval for a function decreasing, we have to first differentiate. So differentiate 1 both sides with respect to x, dy dx, that is equal to d dx x to the power x. That is equal to d dx e to the power x log x. Use the formula as x to the power y is equal to e to the power y log x. That is equal to e to the power x log x d dx of x log x. That is equal to, we can write now this is x to the power x, differentiation of x1 into log x plus x as constant, differentiation of dx log x to 1 by x. That is equal to x to the power x log x plus 1. Now as per theorem, for decreasing dy dx less than 0. So x to the power x log of x plus 1 less than 0, or log of x plus 1 less than 0 as x to the power x greater than 0 or log x less than minus 1 or x less than e to the power minus 1 or x less than 1 by e. Therefore, the interval is 0, 1 by e. If you are new in this channel, like and subscribe. Thank you.